This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler's trunk soft top. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, prepare to access the rear window area. We'll cover each step to make this process smooth and easy for you. You'll learn how to quickly get into your trunk space without any hassle. Let's get started with the initial preparations. To begin, open your Jeep's swing gate, which is the lower part of the trunk that opens horizontally. Next, you'll need to remove the plastic retainers located at the lower right and left corners of the rear window. Then, carefully unzip the rear window completely, typically starting from the passenger side and moving towards the driver's side. This allows you to separate the window from the soft top fabric. Once unzipped, hold the tailgate bar and rotate it outward and up to release it from its retainers. Then, slide the tailgate bar to the left to fully separate it from the rear window. With the bar removed, keep the rear window level and slide it to the left until it fully separates from its retainer. Store the window in a soft window bag or another safe location to prevent scratches or dirt. After removing the rear window, locate the Sunrider latch beneath the number 6 bow on the driver's side. Pull this latch downward, allowing the soft top to slide freely toward the rear in its guide tracks until it reaches the stowed position. Push down lightly on each side of the folded soft top to ensure it's secure, and then wrap the 2 hook and loop fastener straps around the linkage to hold the top in place.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.